Straight in the mouth.
I can put sauce on that one, but...
You put hot sauce on this?
Yeah. Comiendo. How
many calories have we eaten? Hi, I'm Matt. I'm from Calgary, Alberta, Canada.
Lloyd a swing, drilled to right center. Rodriguez going back. It is gone!
Hi, I'm Ramon Mendoza, and I'm from Tijuana, Mexico.
The pitch, and Mendoza swings. It's a fly ball to left field. That's well struck. Town going back. It's over his head. It's gone!
And today we're going to be swapping snacks. So he's going to be trying Canadian snacks, and I'm going to be trying snacks from Mexico. These are good, bro. You're gonna like these. You should pick where I start. I'll pick where you start.
Okay. You start with this.
We're starting ketchup.
Ketchup?
Ketchup.
Yeah. Spices?
Not too bad. Kind of like Cheetos. You know Cheetos?
Yeah.
I like that.
You like that one?
Yeah.
Mmm. 10 of 10.
10 out of 10?
Yeah.
Nice. These are a little spicy. At the end.
You try the Tostitos. Are the best ones, I think. Yeah, but the...
Let's go here.
Yo creo que son los más famosos mexicanos. Y yo creo que te van a gustar.
Hickory sticks. Oh yeah. That's more like it. That's good.
Now, Matt, in Mexico, a lot of times you'll mix that with meat and cheese.
Oh yeah.
And like more spice and a lot of things, and you call it in English it's like a walking taco.
Oh yeah. I think I've seen people like put hot sauce.
Yeah.
Just like pour hot sauce in a bag. What do you think? It's okay?
It's okay. Yeah. No tienen tanto sabor. Son regulares. Yeah.
Okay.
No son malas, pero no tienen tanto sabor.
Is salt and vinegar popular in Mexico?
Not much. No. O sea, sí hay, pero no son tan populares. You're ready? You're ready?
I guess so.
For the Takis one? I can put sauce on that one, but...
You put hot sauce on this?
Yeah.
I don't like how red it is. Not so bad yet.
Not bad?
It's coming.
Yeah.
It's a little spicy.
Yeah.
It's building, it's coming.
Sí. Pero mientras más vas comiendo, más vas picando, más vas picando.
What does it mean by old dressing?
I think it's just like
A bunch of different
everything together, pretty sure. It's salt and vinegar, barbecue. We're picking our favorites.
I think these ones. These ones are my favorites. Yeah, the ketchup one.
Those are good.
Yeah, they're really good. And yours?
For me, Tostitos. The least spicy.
A little spicy.
Is it?
A little, yeah, it is.
No. Alright.
Not much.
Solid.
What do you taste?
A little spicy. A little bit spicy. But not too bad.
How are you with spice overall? Like
I'm not the best, honestly. I'm not the worst, but
I have like 3 months ago, like the last time when you eat one of those.
brings you back home, eh?
Mm-hmm.
is that your favorite?
Really good. Yeah, maybe it is.
Swedish berries.
This one?
This is not American. You guys don't have that?
No.
Sweets?
Yeah. It's really good.
Yeah. Are good. I like it.
Sabor. Queso.
El sabor como dulce, como con crema, mucha crema. Oh, están buenos.
These are like M&Ms. You got M&Ms, right?
Bueno, sí, bueno.
They're like M&Ms, but like more coating, more crunchy.
Do you guys trick or treat in Canada?
Oh yeah.
Is that something you would get trick or treating?
Yeah, like they have like smaller boxes, tiny. But yeah, big Halloween.
México también, trick or treat.
Sí, sí.
Pulparindo está en trick or treat.
Sí. Sí dan. Sí los dan. Oye, me gustaron. I like these ones. It's really good. I like Hershey's but this one is really good too.
It's kind of like
The flavor
Skor is like toffee.
are really
Crunches.
good. Yeah.
These are kind of more like Twix bars or like Kit Kat.
Yeah.
But coffee flavored. I don't know how to open that.
Sí está bueno. It's good.
Yeah. Coffee?
Yeah.
Taste it.
¿Cuál es tu favorito?
Yo creo que de todos estos, mi favorito es este. Sí. No son malos estos, pero yo creo que me quedaría de todos con este. Es el más bueno para mí.
Which one's your favorite, Matt? Of the Canadian snacks, at least so
The
far.
Canadian ones. I might go Smarties. It's classic. Brings me back a little bit. Halloween.
Ramon, I know you know these.
Refresca.
Jarrito. Refresco.
Mandarin is like baseline, like the main.
Yeah,
It's everywhere.
it is.
Naranja?
Naranja.
Naranja.
Yeah. Naranja. Taste it.
Cheers. Salud. That's good. I like it.
Too fresh?
It's refreshing.
Refreshing. Try the pineapple.
Let's do it.
Piña. Piña.
That's good. I think I like that one better.
That one better?
I like that one better, I think. Pina colada.
No. No piña colada.
It's different.
Just piña. Yeah.
Just piña.
Just piña.
Can you hold the colada?
Yeah. It's like a little bit like sweet and spicy.
Oh my
Yeah,
God.
both.
Straight in the mouth.
You can do that, or you can put it in the hand and do it, but you do it in your mouth.
I like that.
It's good.
Yeah.
Right. The Gansito. It's a good one.
Gansito.
Yeah.
That looks like you, bro. That's good.
Good.
I feel like it's gonna be
Like the same
very
one?
similar.
Yeah.
In Mexico, they'll also turn that into an ice cream.
Just throw it in the freezer.
Well, they kind of turn it into like a paleta.
Yeah.
Oh, like on a stick?
Mm-hmm.
That's smart, because I can see it getting messy a little bit.
It's really good. I like it.
I feel like they're very similar.
But I think I prefer this one.
Really?
This one is really good, yeah. Yeah. Because in Mexico, I don't eat that one a lot.
Really?
I don't know why.
And how do you say that, Joe Louis?
Joe Louis. I haven't had one of these in so long. I'm about to try one.
Right.
How many calories have we eaten today? I like the Mexican one.
Really?
But they're both tremendous.
Yeah, I guess.
My favorite snack of the day, I think it was those Tostitos chips, the salsa verde.
Sí, Tostitos salsa verde.
And Ramon, what was your favorite?
Yo creo que yo también me voy por las papitas, las de ketchup. Yo creo porque yo soy muy amante de las papitas y creo que me gustaron bastante.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to Springfield Cardinals, and we'll get you some Canadian and some Mexican snacks.